I think we're doing great. I mean, a year and a half ago, no public companies had any Bitcoin. By the end of this year, there'll be 3 dozen public companies. And you got a dozen Bitcoin miners coming public. You got Bitcoin miners buying Bitcoin. You got Square and Tesla buying Bitcoin. You got the ETFs coming out. Yeah. So I feel like we're having about as good a progress as we can have in 12 months. But we're 1 year into a 10-year run, right?
And so do you have a number in mind of what you think is going to be at that end of the 10 years of what Bitcoin's price might be?
Look, my view of Bitcoin is if you value it as digital gold, it's better gold than gold, as Anthony has said before, and that makes it worth 20 trillion. And if you think of it as digital property, like a digital hotel in cyberspace or digital real estate, well, it's going to demonetize a lot of real estate and a lot of property, and that makes it worth 100 trillion. And if you think of it as digital money or digital energy, because you're going to move it 1,000,000 times a second and split, when the hotel gets split into 1,000,000 little hotel minutes and rented out around the world and recomposed and moves at the speed of light, then I think it's worth a lot more than the 100 trillion. It becomes worth a $250 trillion plus thing. So I think Bitcoin's going to go up with volatility and some cyclicality over time. And
so let's just put this in
all of our lives.
Let's put this into context. On the low end, you said 10 trillion. On the high end, 250 trillion. Bitcoin's market cap today is 1.5 trillion.
Yeah.
So you're looking at substantial upside, 10x to 200x.